Hello and welcome to our presentation. The topic is design approval and the pre-birth phase. The subject is Naval Architecture 1 and the code is DKC10013. And shout out to my lecturer, Sir Mustaqim bin Abdul Rahim, and presented by me, Muhammad Putra Iskandar bin Muhammad Nizam.
And my name is Izzat Zakwan bin Muhammad Syahidan from the AC1A.
Okay, first thing first. I want to talk about design approval and the pre-birth phase. Before a single plate of steel is cut, every dimension, every curve, and every calculation must survive rigorous scrutiny. This is the architect realm, where compliance is built into the design itself. Case study 4. Okay, for the next slide is talk about what is the pre-birth phase. The pre-birth phase encompasses all design and engineering work completed before fabrication begins. It is the most consequential stage of a vessel life. Decision made here propagate through every subsequent phase of construction, operation, and decommissioning. At first, design development, lines plan, general arrangement, structural scheduling, and system layout are developed and refined. For the second, regulatory submission. Completed drawing and calculation are submitted to the classification society for plan approval. And for the last, approval gate. No steel is cut until written approval is granted. This gate is non-negotiable. Okay, for now, I want to talk about the design approval phase. Plan approval is a format, iterative review process conducted by the classification society. Surveyors scrutinize submitted document against applicable rules and flag non-conformances that must be resolved before fabrication is authorized. Okay, first is submit plans, provide plans and calculation. And for the second, surveyor review, inspect against applicable rules. And third, issue comments, flag non-conformances to resolve. And for the last is approval stamp, final stamp issued upon compliance. Last but not least from me, key calculation and documents submitted. What must be submitted? First, stability calculation. Interact and damage stability booklets demonstrating compliance with IMO, IS code, and society rules, including zigzag, curve, and downflooding analysis. Second, hull structural scaling, plate thickness, stiffness sizing, and well detailed verified against rule derived formula or direct calculation method FEA. And for the third, general arrangement and lines plan, compartment layout, freeboard deck designation, and shell form definition. And for the last, machinery and system drawings, piping, bilge, firefighting, and electrical diagrams where applicable.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Izzat Zakwan bin Muhammad Syahidan from the AC1A. So today I want to talk about stability, the foundation of every submission. Okay, first, intake stability. The GZ writing lever curve must specify IMO is code 2008 criteria, minimum area under the curve, writing lever at 30 degree, and range of stability before the society will issue approval. Okay, second is damage stability. for vessel subject to SOLAS, a probabilistic or deterministic damage stability assessment must demonstrate survivability after flooding of defined compartments.
So, for the next, I want to talk about IMO, the global lawmaker. The International Maritime Organization is the United Nations specialized agency responsible for the safety, security, and environmental performance of international shipping. As the global lawmaker, IMO sets the mandatory minimum standards that every flag state must transpose into national law.